So what you can also do is you can go around and generate a CV using Gemini. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say I am a graphics designer with 10 years of experience in AZ design company as a senior graphics designer, and create a CV for me. My degree is in like BA in arts in graphic design from Wales University right here. Let's say, for example, so if I were to go around and do that right here, then what happens is that this is what you have right here. So you can see that it created out a CV for me right here. So now it is saying that in this section I need to add my name and senior graphic designer, and in contact you can see that this is what you have right here. And now education is here, as you can see right here, Wales University right here. And senior graphic designer is a design company, city, state, and start month, present. So you can see that it creates out content for me right here, just like this, and then it simply fills out the section, a certain section right here, just like this, and then so that I can simply change it out how I like. Let's say, for example, I want to change up a few things. So let's say, for example, I'm going to say my name is Pratik Pradhan right here, just like this. And I'm going to say my phone number is, let's say, for example, let me just get a random number right here. My email is tutortubechannel@gmail.com right here, just like this. So let's just go around and do that right here. And my portfolio link is, let me just give my YouTube channel, youtube.com/tutortube right here, just like this, tutortube right here. So this is what I have, as you can see right here, and then everything is fine. So in the experience section, I'm going to go around and say I have worked in, let's say, Yangon, Myanmar right here, and I started my work in February 2012, let's say, for example, right here, just like this. And then this is what you have. And for skills, I also know Corel Draw, let's say, for example, right here, and web apps like Pixlr X right here, just like this. So now this is what you have, as you can see right here, and then this is what you have. So let's just go around and send it out right here, and then what happens is that it simply replaces out those information, as you can see right here. So now you can see that this is what you have. So you can see that it has my phone number, and email address is removed. Consider creating a more professional email. So it does not actually match my name, and that is why it removed it, as you can see right here. So this is what you have. And in portfolio, it says, while YouTube can showcase some design work, consider creating a website specifically for your design portfolio, as you can see right here. So now you got the summary around over here as well, and then the education and so forth. So let's just go around and change these particular information out. So my new email is pratik.pradhan at, let's say, for example, sample.com right here, and my website is www.pratikpradhan right here, let's say, for example, let's say io right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and do that right here, just like this, then what happens is that it simply goes around over here and replaces those particular information, and I have my CV ready, as you can see right here, just like this. So this is how it actually helps you to actually create a CV content, as you can see right here, and then even help you modify some of the information that seems unprofessional. So now what you can simply do is you can export it out to docs right here, just like this, and it's creating a document out of it, as you can see right here, and you can open up the docs right there, And then this is what you have, as you can see, and you can go around and further edit it out according to how you want right here, and then change the information according to how you want. So you can go around and, let's say for example, remove out the CV right here, and then remove out the optional section right here, and so forth, and then simply change the CV out according to how you want. So that is how you can generate CV inside of Gemini. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.